Alright. So this is the third one on a series of 7. The last big one needed 8 punctures and it stings like hell. So let's see.
Clean the needle.
Yeah, clean. I should probably clean the needle first, huh? Yeah, it doesn't matter.
It's not cool.
Okay, there's 4 here. Let's use a new needle this time.
There's a little one there.
Yeah, there are a couple. Oh, there's a little one at the bottom of this one too. It's all over the place. Alright. Alright. Okay, cool. Alright, let's zoom in on the blister. Alright. So this is a smaller one of the 2 big toes. There we go. Ah. Come on. Won't go in. Ooh. Oh, I got my thumb. Alright. That one that got on my thumb. Alright. There's one.
Just don't pop it in my direction. Philip, watch out.
There's 2. This is not bad. Oh, I got some thick skin right here. Get in there. Come on, get in there.
It's in. Dad, it's in.
No, it's not. Is it?
I think. Oh my god.
Get in there.
I think it's good.
You should just pull it out. It's fine. I think.
The skin is too thick.
Oh my god.
It's gonna squirt.
Oh. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, 3 is enough for this one. I think. I might need one at the bottom. No?
There's one down there. Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Those are like the thicker ones at the bottom. Alright. Alright, here we go. Is it in?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Okay, I think you're good. You should just.
Get in there.
Come out the other side.
No, I think it has to go in more.
It just might be thick skin and not a blister.
I think you're good.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Alright. Get this. This squirty stuff. Okay, we're good. This one was easy. Okay, you're done.